Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss aliases in Microsoft SQL Server. Aliases is used to specify the temporary name of the columns or tables name. First of all, you have need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Next, I will need to create a database. Create database macro demo and select it. Press F5, execute the query. Use the macro demo database. Press F5. Okay. Next, I will create a table employee with 4 columns. emp id int emp name varchar 50 emp city varchar 50 emp email varchar 50. Okay, and select the query and execute the query. My table successfully created here, and then next I will insert 3 records inside the employee table with the help of insert command. Insert into employee values 1 Amit Noida, Amit @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Copy this query, paste here, write here to Amita Noida, amita@gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Paste here, write here 3 Sandeep Delhi, Sandeep@gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Okay, I have successfully inserted 3 records inside the employee table. In next query, I will use the aliases. Right here, select emp name as employee name, comma, emp city as employee city from employee. Select the query and execute the query. Look here, employee name and employee city is the temporary name of the column. You can write this temporary name with the help of as and write the name here that you want to give the column name. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.